Hello everyone. Welcome to our new session. My name is Nikita and I'm a naturalist from Central India. As a naturalist, I have worked in Kanha, Bandhavgarh, Pench, Chitwan National Park, which is in Nepal. I've also got opportunity to work in the field of waste management around Corbett Tiger Reserve. And today I'm here to talk with you about mammals. So the earliest known mammals were very tiny shoe-like creatures that lived under the shadows of dinosaurs some 250 to 275 million years ago. Then once these dinosaurs were gone, 65 million years ago, that's when the mammals started to diversify. So let us see what are the characteristics of a mammal. Mammals have mammary glands. These are modified sweat glands that produce nutritious milk for the development of young one. Then mammals possess hair. Every different species of mammal have different degree of hair on them to insulate body heat. While some mammals like the spotted deer have hair which also helps to camouflage. And in porcupine, the hair is modified into spikes to defend itself. Then mammals are warm-blooded. It means they are able to maintain a stable internal temperature even when the external temperature changes. So because of these very important evolutionary characteristics, mammals have evolved to be found in different habitats. They are found in snow, in forests, in sky, and even underwater. So let us see what are very important terms used for these mammals in every different habitat. So the mammals that use their limbs and legs to walk on land are called terrestrial mammals. Then mammals which climb from tree to tree, remain most of the time on trees, are called arboreal mammals. Then bats are the only mammals that have evolved powerful flight. So they are called aerial mammals. Then we also have mammals which are found underwater, whether it is these otters in the river or these dolphins in the ocean. These mammals are called aquatic mammals. Then we have very special mammals which are found underground. These mammals have specialized claws. Can you see these? So these mammals are called fossorial mammals. Even after so many different habitats, can you imagine population-wise, humans and cattle, that is cows, goats and sheep, far outnumber the percentage of wild mammals, that is just 4%. So let us see, according to reproduction techniques, the groups where mammals are divided into. We have monotremes. These mammals lay eggs. Then we have marsupials, where young ones are born really immature and the development takes place in very special pouches of the mother. Then we have placental mammals, where young ones are born in advanced stage. So we'll talk a little bit about these groups. Monotremes, they do not have mammary glands, but they have modified sweat glands, and the young one suckles with modified hair which is present in the underbelly. Then we have marsupials. where the young ones are born really small and immature, and then they develop in the pouch of the mother. Next, we have placental mammals. This is the only group which is found in India. We do not have egg-laying monotremes or pouch-bearing marsupials. So let us see what placental mammals are. So in this diagram, you can see the uterus of the mother, and the placenta is the temporary organ that provides nutrients to the young one through the pipe-like organ, that is umbilical cord. So the mammals that carry their young ones until they are fully developed are placental mammals. In the world, we have 6,400 species, while in India, we have some 410 species. So in further slides, I will be taking you through some major groups and few examples of each. So our first group is primates. There are 14 different species of primates in India. Some are common and some are uncommon. So the common ones are Terai langur, which is found in the foothills of Himalayas, while bonnet macaque is found in southern parts of India. Now, which ones are uncommon? Lion-tailed macaque. This is found only in Western Ghats and nowhere else in the world. And golden langur is the most endangered species of primates in India, and it is found in Northeast India. Then we have carnivora, where we have brown mongoose. This is also only found in Western Ghats and nowhere else in the world. And rusty spotted cat is fairly uncommon species to find, and it lives in dense forest. This is also the smallest wild cat in the world. Next is Indian grey wolf and wild dogs. So, like tigers and leopards, they hunt in ambush. These dogs are pack hunters. The next is even-toed ungulates, which includes deer, antelopes, and wild boar. So the major difference in deer and antelope is deer have antlers that shed every year after breeding season, while antelopes, the horns, they don't shed. Next is odd-toed ungulates, where we have one-horned rhinoceros, which is found in the foothills of Himalayas. And we have Asiatic wild ass, which is found in certain parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. The next group is a very special one, and you will find this species in large numbers in southern India. It's Proboscidae, and Asiatic elephant is the only species in this group. So some interesting facts about Asiatic elephant. Can you see this trunk? Can you guess how many muscles this trunk has? There are 60,000 muscles in this trunk. And can you imagine how much water it can hold? It can hold up to 4 to 5 liters of water. So just like tiger is our national animal, elephant is our national heritage animal. So the next group has the largest number of species in it. It's rodents. Very strange character about rodents are that their front teeth or the incisors, they grow continuously throughout their life. So they have to gnaw on hard matter, that is wood or seeds. So these animals are often overlooked, but they play a very important role in the food chain. The next group is the second largest group, Chiroptera, which has bats in it. There are around 1300 species of bats in the world. Therefore, they are second largest group of mammals after rodents. We have Lagomorpha, which is a very interesting species. So, these hair, they produce two variety of pellets. So, the first kind, which is wet and undigested, is eaten again to redigest it. And this is how it looks after the second time it is eaten. Then we have cetaceans, the mammals that live underwater. These mammals, they produce young one, they feed their young one with their milk, and also they have to come on the surface of water to breathe air. So all these groups are some few common groups. To have more information about diversity of mammals, do refer the reading and watching material. Now let us look at the feeding habits of the mammals. These terms are very useful even while guiding. So herbivores, these animals only eat plant matter. Then we have carnivores, which feed on other animals. Then we have omnivores like wild boar, golden jackal, and sloth bear, who scavenge and eat meat, also plant matter. And we have insectivores, where we have these bats. And very interesting fact about them is how they hunt. They use a technique called echolocation, where they send off very high-pitched sound, which strikes on another insect, and the sound waves return. And that's how these bats hunt at night. Now some fun facts about the animals. So we know that largest mammal on land is elephant. And the largest mammal on earth is a blue whale. So elephants can go up to 5,000 kilos, while it would take some 30 elephants to weigh up to a blue whale. Then we have sambar as Asia's largest deer, which can go up to 230 to 300 kilos. Smallest mammal in the planet is a bumblebee bat. This bat, which is not found in India, weighs up to 2 grams only. Fastest mammal is a cheetah, but how fast? It can go up to 60 kilometers per hour speed in 3 seconds. And it can go up to 130 kilometers per hour speed while hunting. Slowest mammals on earth are sloth, and in India we have slow loris, which can travel up to only 50 meters in a day. Then we have big cats of the world. Unanimously agreed upon, there are 5 big cats in the world, out of which 4 are found in India. Asiatic lions are found in Gir forest of Gujarat. Then we have Royal Bengal tigers across India. This is one of the 6 tiger species found in the world. Then we have leopards. These leopards are not just found in forested areas, but also around human habitations. Then we have snow leopards. They are also called ghost of the mountains, and they are found in snow-capped mountains of Himalayas. We spoke of 4 cats of India. Now, 5th is jaguar, which is not found in India. It is found in America. Now there are two other cat species which are often confused with this one. Let us see which ones are those. Cheetah and leopard. So cheetah, as you can see, has spots on them, while jaguar and leopards rosé are quite similar. Jaguar rosé, on the other hand, has spots on them. Now we will go to the longest living mammal on the planet. It is bowhead whale. And can you imagine how long it can live? It can live up to 200 years. Then we have the mammal with strongest bite force. That is a hippopotamus. And the bite force is 100 times stronger than humans. So with these few examples, we have just tried to cover very limited number of mammals. So further, I would suggest you to not just learn about the name of the species, but also how they interact, how they communicate. I'll end this presentation with just an experience on field with the most common deer species in India, spotted deer. And here, if you can see, the two males are showing off their antlers to each other. The bigger the antler, the male will have the chances to mate with the female. Thank you.